Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to talk you through the Demonist Commission's Mushrooms Growing Among Poison. This starts off with the Young Monk's request, where we have to talk to the young monk, and in order to do that we want to come out of Powerwell, come up to the Unicorn Cliff here. I'll just show you where I am on the map so you can get your bearings. And we want to come to this little outcrop just here, the Coalvale Workshop. And as we come into this workshop, that is where we are then going to get the little boy approach us. So when we enter the village, that will activate him. So here we can see this, the chat dialogue from the little boy. Just going to dismount. And now what we need to go and do is obtain the mystical pine mushroom. You can go ahead and click the quest in order to track it. And then from here, if we scroll out, we can see that it is available for us in the Shears village. If you have not been here before, this is actually going to start a new quest chain where you're going to basically, if you enter this area before you've done the quest, you will get knocked out by two children. They will send you off on your own little quest to retrieve a relic from an Ent. I have covered that in a video previously that I will leave a link to in the description below if you need it. But from here, all we're going to do is go ahead and mount up and head over to the village. Now when you get to this area just here, just northeast of the village itself, you're going to be looking for this little river just here. And then if you follow that in towards the cliffside here, you're actually going to see that it opens up this little cave area. And then if you come into this cave, this is where you're going to see these mushrooms that will knock you out. You will actually have an easier time of this if you just shoot them with your bow. And then once you come to the end of the cave, you can see here on the floor that there is the mystical pine mushroom, which is the one that we need for the quest. Simply go ahead and take it, and you can see there that we have now completed the young monk's request. So that about sums that up for that video, guys. Really hope that that helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. Check out the channel for more useful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.